Now this is all of my fidgets left. I have more monkey noodles. What is it called? Snake and a bike chain. That's it. So now I'm gonna show you all of my fidgets and playing with them. Pop tube. This is a Obi stress ball. DIY Obi stress ball. And snake. A wacky track. A Obi stress ball. I already showed you just that one, so I don't need to show you guys again. And an infinity cube. Puzzle ball. Be quiet!
Yo, we got the pew.
Stop! Sorry, guys. That was my uncle saying mean stuff. My uncle's really mean, by the way.
What? No way.
Yes, he is. So, we have a monkey noodle, really stretchy. I already showed you this one. Splat ball. Splat ball. Fidget spinner, I think it's called. Monkey noodle, monkey noodle, monkey noodle, monkey noodle, monkey noodle. And that's it. My monkey noodle. No, one more monkey noodle. I have a lot of monkey noodles. So, I have a lot of monkey noodles. A strawberry Obi stress ball. Stress ball. A wall that is a stress ball. A tiny wacky track. A little wacky track. I don't know what it is, but marble and mesh, snake, lime, Obi stress ball, pop tube, puppet, bike chain, spiky ball. What is this? Marble and mesh. Walkie track? No, that's not a walkie track. Bicycle chain.